Alright, Sneed Mobile Tech and Yasmeen, we here. We're going to unbox the new iPhone 12. We got the product red edition, right, Yasmeen? Is it red? Can you confirm? Is it red? Mm-hmm. Okay, it is red. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and set it down. Let's take a look at the box. Alright. Show them the box. Show them the picture of the iPhone. Alright, it's upside down, Yasmeen. Okay.
Sorry.
Yasmeen. Okay. Show them. You got to put it in the view of the camera. Alright.
Oh. Daddy.
Okay. Alright, so iPhone 12, product red.
Don't make it fall down.
Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it, Yasmeen.
Okay, how do you
Alright, let's rip out. You find the tab?
Tab?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Daddy has a smart battery.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Plastic out of the way. Set it down right here. Face down. Just like this. Alright, now you can lift the top off. And there's the iPhone.
Oh, it's red.
Yep, it's red. Now be careful. Alright, you saw how easy it was to make it slip. Use both your hands. There we go.
Daddy, you made it slip.
Alright, so there it is. Product red edition. Alright, Yasmeen, you want to show everybody how the phone looks?
Okay, first I'm going to show the back.
Right here. Alright, a little further back so they can see it. You gotta do it further back. There you go. Alright, good. iPhone 12 product red. Okay, so how many cameras are in the back, Yasmeen? Show it to them, please. Yasmeen.
4,
No.
2.
Let's. Okay, we got one camera at the top, and then we got another camera at the bottom. 2 cameras on the back. Show them the label on the bottom. Show them. Put in the too close, Yasmeen. All right, iPhone product red. Okay, trademarked at the bottom. This is really challenging.
And Daddy.
What else is in the box, Yasmeen?
This charger.
Show him. You have to put it. You see where the camera lens is, Yasmeen?
Mm-hmm.
See how the camera's pointing here? All right, good. All right, so you get a charging cable. All right, the charging cable is USB-C to lightning cable.
What's that?
Boom, you get that. What is that, Yasmeen?
Some instructions.
Instructions?
What's this?
Okay. I guess just instructions. I guess we don't need it. Toss it. And what do we have there? Show it to him. The camera's over here, remember? What is that, a SIM tool? SIM card ejector tool. Okay. That's all you get, right? There's nothing else, right, Yasmeen?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing in the box. That's all Apple gives us now. We got the product red sticker.
Daddy!
Boom. Ooh, an Apple sticker. Show them the Apple sticker. You're going to put it somewhere.
What about on the phone?
I don't want to put it on the phone. We'll put it somewhere else. All right. All right, so that's what you get with an iPhone. All right. Anyway, so here's the phone.
I don't put it on me.
All right, so that's
What
the
about on
product
the
red.
wall?
No, your mom's going to get mad.
Yeah.
Pretty red. What do you think, Yasmeen? Do you like it? Yasmeen, do you like this color red?
Yes.
All right.
It's for Valentine's Day, actually.
For Valentine's Day, okay. All right, great. All right, we unboxed it. Let's see if it's got juice. We're going to set this thing up, too. Oh, it's got juice.
It's juice.
It's got battery.
Okay.
All right, we'll get this thing set up.
Daddy, where could we put the sticker?
I don't know. Let's go find a place to sticker. We out this piece.
Bye.
That just about does it for this edition of the SMT YouTube channel. Thank you so much for taking this opportunity to watch. We appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to give this video a like and share it to all of your favorite social media platforms. Also, consider becoming a subscriber if you'd like more from the SMT, and activate that bell notification icon so you never miss an upload and you'll be the first to know when something does hit the YouTubes. Also, we've got items in the description box. We've got a Discord server. The @SneedTech Twitter handle is there, and there's ways to donate and support SMT creation. That pretty much does it for today. Thank you so much for being here again. Hope you have a great day, and we'll hopefully see you soon on the next video. Peace.